Oh yes, we're talking about one of the most popular diets out there to date. Well, if you clicked on this video, we're talking about the keto diet. The keto diet has become the most popular weight loss diet for all. Hey everybody, welcome to Health Yourself. Today we're going to go over the top 5 foods that you need to eat on the ketogenic diet. Make sure you watch until the very end to discover why eating berries is one of the few fruits you would eat on the keto diet. Before we get into the video, make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss when we upload new videos. The ketogenic diet works by modifying the way your body converts food into energy. Typically during digestion, we break down carbohydrates, then into molecules of fructose, galactose, and glucose, the latter of which acts as the main energy source for the body. The keto diet intentionally puts the body in a ketosis state where fat is released from the cells and converted into ketones, which is the alternative method of storing the body's energy. Essentially high fats and low carbs. Number 1. First up, let's dive deep and check out seafood. Mix it up with things such as salmon, sardines, and mackerels, which are good brain foods due to their abundance of omega-3 fatty acids. Salmon is also filled with potassium, selenium, and has 0 carbohydrates. Keto-friendly foods also include clams, oysters, and squid. Since seafood is naturally low in carbohydrates and contains high amounts of omega fatty acids, they make for a great addition to the keto diet. For a good amount of vitamins, minerals, and omega-3s, eat at least 2 portions of seafood a week. Number 2. Obviously, it goes without saying that vegetables are good for you overall. However, we want to focus on the ones that contain low carbohydrates. 1 cup of raw spinach, for example, contains less than 1 gram of carbohydrates. Now consider broccoli, since 1 cup has approximately 6 grams of carbohydrates. Both contain antioxidants that combat free radicals, but one is more keto-friendly than the other due to its higher amounts of carbohydrates. Starchy vegetables are not appropriate for the keto diet. These include beets, yams, and potatoes that are packed with carbohydrates. Non-starchy vegetables are low in carbs and calories, but still high in vitamins and minerals. These days there are great substitutes available, such as zucchini pasta and cauliflower rice. Number 3. Wow, a diet that lets you eat this food sounds like the dream of all diets. That's right, we're talking about cheese. All cheeses are low in carbohydrates and high in saturated fat. 28 grams of cheddar contains 1 gram of carbohydrate and 9 grams of fat. Cheese also has conjugated linoleic acid, which is associated with better body composition. Cheese can also help to reduce the loss of muscle due to moderate amounts of protein. In 28 grams of cheddar, you will find 7 grams of protein. I know, it sounds too good to be true, but it's perfect for the keto diet. Try finding a cauliflower-based pizza, which has spinach and cheese for a keto-friendly pizza. Number 4. Moving right along to our friend who is mistaken as a vegetable, we have the avocado. This fruit has gained a lot of popularity these days. Avocados are filled with potassium and other essential vitamins and minerals. If you have high cholesterol, avocados help to lower bad LDL cholesterol like triglycerides and raise healthy HDL cholesterol levels. When it comes to carbohydrates, most of them are fiber, which does not count against the regular consumption of the keto diet. So if a medium-sized avocado contains 9 grams of carbohydrates and 7 of them are fiber, technically you are only consuming 2 grams of carbohydrates. Number 5. Finally, you won't find many fruits on your keto shopping list due to most of them containing too many carbohydrates. However, berries are actually low in net carbohydrates due to the fact that they are loaded with fiber, which we learned earlier doesn't count towards the intake of the keto diet. Berries are loaded with antioxidants which help fight inflammation. So if you're missing your fruits, we recommend blackberries and raspberries because they have the lowest net carbohydrates at just 5 grams per 100 gram serving. There are many other reasons why you should incorporate berries into your diet, but the most important point today is that you can eat them on the keto diet. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos of healthy eating tips and much more.